What is Kindle Direct Publishing? A fair consensus can be obtained even if more than a third of the nodes engage in malicious behavior thanks to ABF's removal of this upper restriction. As ABFT believes that honest nodes' messages will eventually be delivered, messages may be lost or perpetually delayed. Even with FAI, the network can still operate without the burden of going through a traditional publishing company. Authors may sell their books directly to Amazon's enormous audience through the Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, technology. Authors can publish ebooks and paperback books using KDP without paying any upfront fees or placing inventory orders. Additionally, unlike a traditional publishing business, KDP grants authors full rights to their novels, something that they generally wouldn't do. KDP is a fantastic option for authors of all stripes to publish their works and advertise them for sale, all for free. You won't pay Amazon any fees until you generate a sale, but we'll cover that in more detail in a moment. What advantages does KDP offer? The main advantage, that it costs nothing to print and list your book, is probably already clear to you at this time. However, let's go through some more justifications for joining KDP. Both ebooks and print books can be published. You may publish a Kindle ebook, a print book, or even both with KDP. If you decide to sell a paperback book, Amazon will print and deliver the book to the buyer on your behalf. No need to buy large quantities of product in advance. No upfront fees in exchange for a cut of the revenue. Although it is free to list your ebooks for sale on Amazon KDP, Amazon will share a portion of the proceeds. Depending on the royalty choice you select and the size of your ebook file, the size of that share will vary. I'll go into that further shortly. You can release however many ebooks you desire. You can publish as many paperback or ebooks under one account, even ones written under multiple pen names and subject divisions. Through KDP, you may buy your own paperback books at wholesale prices. You can order wholesale books from your KDP dashboard if you want to have some hard copies of your book on hand to sell or lend to friends. You will be responsible for the cost of each book's printing after Amazon prints the quantity of copies you purchased and ships them to you. On the Kindle store, your books will have a sales rank similar to Amazon.com's. This is fantastic news because it means you, a smaller author, will have the same chance of succeeding and generating sales as bigger, more well-known authors. Sell to Amazon's enormous global customer base. Naturally, having access to millions of Kindle customers is a key advantage of self-publishing on Amazon. You can list your book for sale on any of Amazon's international marketplaces as long as you are the sole owner of the rights to sell it in every territory, what Amazon refers to as a territory on its KDP help pages. Royalties from Kindle Direct Publishing. You will receive royalties when you publish ebooks using KDP. Both you and Amazon will share in the sales. There are two different royalty rates available, 35% and 70%. You're probably thinking, well, of course, you should choose the 70% royalty option. It's not really that easy. You need to fulfill the following requirements in order to be eligible for the 70% royalty rate. The pricing of your ebook must fall between $2.99 and $9.99. Depending on the size of your ebook's digital file, a distribution fee, or delivery fee, will be charged for each transaction. Each book purchased from Amazon for between $2.99 and $9.99 is charged 15 cents per megabyte. Your cost might not be as high as you believe because Amazon compresses ebook files. After listing your book, visit the price page to use their charge calculator. The ebook pricing must be at least 20% less than the list price of the paperback if you sell physical copies. The ebook's copyright must belong to you. You cannot be paid a 70% royalty if the book is public domain. The conditions for the 35% royalty rate option are as follows. If your book is sold for less than $2.99 or for more than $9.99, you will be paid a 35% royalty. You will not pay a delivery fee when choosing this option. For large works with significant file sizes, such as textbooks, cookbooks, or picture books, 35% royalties make sense.